Chris Campbell from Orkin Canada. Just wanted to give you some exclusion tips on how to pest proof your home over the winter. So you can tell right here that the door seal has been chewed at this home. You can see that there is a nice gap along the bottom here. So what's gonna happen now is any type of wildlife or rodent are gonna enter this garage. So what you wanna do is make sure your whole garage has a nice seal along the bottom. What you want to do is cut back any trees or shrubs that are touching your home about 12 inches away. That'll protect your home from any pests. So you can see with this particular home, this caulking is done very well. If it is gone or cracked, any type of pests, especially insects this time of year, are going to be able to enter your home, especially carpenter ants. When you're doing the exterior inspection of your home, what you want to do is you want to go around and check around all your pipes going into your home, and you want to see if there's any holes around those pipes. So the size of a dime, mice will be able to enter into, and the size of a quarter or even a toonie, they'll be able to enter into your home for rats. Now, when you find a hole like that, what you want to do is you want to get some nice copper wool and put it around the pipes. So as you can see with this homeowner, they've capped their chimney because in the past they had a squirrel go down in their basement. So what you need to do is take a look at your chimney and cap it off. If you're noticing wildlife and rodents a lot in your yard, what you want to do is you want to go to your bird feeder to see if there's a lot of seed on the ground to see if that's what's attracting them to the yard. When you're doing your exterior inspection, what you want to do is you want to look for any wood such as this old railway tie, and you want to make sure they're still in good shape. When they're getting old and wet logged, what's going to happen is that's going to attract carpenter ants, and then they'll try to come into your home. So over the winter months, what you want to do is you want to look for any harborage areas that rodents and wildlife will be nesting in. This is a great example where rodents will try to create their nest over the wintertime.